Yo, what is going on, y'all? It is Juko here with my first official tutorial on Team PG. I'm going to be showing you guys how to make smooth, dark, synthy samples for people like Pyrex, Southside, other people in that nature. But yeah, let's just get straight into it. I hope you guys enjoy this. Let me know in the comments what y'all want to see more from me, and I'm out. Alright, so I'm just going to lay some notes down, get a little dark melody bounce. And I'm just going to build some notes, find something catchy, switch out the sounds with omnisphere for the first layer. So what I did is, after I got my first melody, I threw some effects on it, obviously, and I just ended up copying and pasting it into my second layer. Just found another sound that sounded good, and then from there I added multiple other things. Some more content. So a thing I like to do with the bass a lot is I put a lot of room in between the bass, so that way it wasn't just like the bass wasn't playing the whole time. And then another thing I like to do is the end of the 5 bars, I just took a note, put the little glide tool up here on it, just to give it more of like a little bit of variation and stuff. This shit need like a string, but like a very subtle string. You get some Porter on this piano. Alright, I'm gonna arrange this real quick. Just layer it, and then I'm gonna manipulate it, probably reverse it, mess with the sample a little bit, and then hopefully get a final result. So for a lot of the sounds I use today, I use a lot of omnisphere. This is probably my go-to VST for this sample. I'm gonna quickly just scroll down. Y'all can see what banks I use a lot. I got a lot of drum vault banks and other type of banks. But yeah, this is just a lot of the banks I use. So yeah, if you guys want to get any of these banks, there you go. Whoa, that's hard. That's hard, man. I think this is the pitch I'm gonna go with. This shit's hard. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, let me know what y'all thought about it in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe to the channel for more content, uploads from me, everybody else on the channel. Recommend me new tutorials you guys want to see from me in the comments. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm out. Peace.